A few months ago, I built this on-air sign to hang in my home office to let my family know when pants are required to enter the room. The sign turned out nice and looks great on my wall. I built it out of walnut and maple and put RGB LEDs inside it that automatically turn on when I start a Zoom meeting on my computer. I can even control it via my Amazon Echo and via my phone. I will show you how I built it right now. Welcome to MakerAtPlay Woodworking. If you're new here, I'm Michael, and I enjoy making things and sharing them with you. My passion is programming, but I also enjoy woodworking and electronics. This channel is dedicated to my woodworking videos. Check out my other channels dedicated to coding and maker projects. You can find links below. I would love to have you as part of the MakerAtPlay community. So to start this project, I'm going to cut out a piece of maple so I can rip it in half and glue it back together to make the front panel, which is going to be 10 by 6 inches. So let's get that marked, get that cut. We're going to get that resawed, planed, and then glued. So there will be a montage now of all of that. And then we'll get to the next step, which is building the case around it. So let's get to it. Got a problem. The miter jig apparently takes 1/8 of an inch off the length. I was not aware of that. Now I am. So, but this is fixable. I shall just cut a little bit off of the base plate to shorten it to be able to close up those miters. So we can correct this. So now click on this video to see how I built the electronics for this sign.